Hi, Book Monster Mitch. To do a quick video, I just picked up a new book. Well, the book is technically at least 3 years old, I believe, but I just picked it up from Walmart about an hour and a half ago. So, the book is Andy Weir is the author. And I know we all know some of his, book titles due to The Martian being turned into a movie with Matt Damon, I believe. Not long ago, I watched that sort of on Netflix, I believe. Martian, that is. Where Matt Damon, I forget the character's name, but Matt Damon's character gets stranded on Mars, left behind by his crew, and NASA has to send out a rescue mission basically back to Mars to rescue him, more or less. But this is not about the Martian. I was just saying that because Andy Weir wrote the Martian book that the movie is based off of. Well, like I said, a little while ago, I went to my local Walmart and picked up Andy Weir's. Hang on, let me get it in camera here. Andy Weir, Project Hail Mary. I hope it shows in camera here. I have a hard time, picking up showing books in camera, like I've said. So, as you can see, it's a paperback copy. It was more or less $20 at Walmart. So easy pickup and kind of an easy decision, no brainer. Pick that up. I'm not sure, but I think I've heard through the grapevine that eventually they're hoping to turn Project Hail Mary into either a movie or a series. If anything, I would hope a movie. I don't know how a series would be with just one book to work off of. They've done it before, but why? They've, you know, done it with Blake Crouch's, what movie? Which book they turned, Blake Crouch into a series, um, Dark Matter, I believe, on Apple. And that's just one book, one, you know, standalone book. So, if anything, if I've heard right, I hope um, Hail Mary, like The Martian by Andy Weir, would have a movie option instead of a series option. I don't know. That's just me personally. So, that's all I really wanted to show off in this video. Uh, Sorry, it's a little bit all over the place talking about Martian, Project Hail Mary, and Dark Matter, um, all in one video, one breath, whatever. But yeah, um, I know, I think Mike from Mike's Book Reviews had this at the top of his books of the year, whatever year he read, be it 21, 2021, or 2022. Um, and honestly, I had the book on Kindle, Project Hail Mary. I had that on Kindle for a while, but like I was just telling somebody, I don't know what happened. I think I had to switch accounts or lost access to that account that had Project Hail Mary on it, among other books. But anyway, it is what it is. Like I said, from what I remember that I read, I was interested enough to keep going. So eventually, yes, I will pick it back up and start over. Excuse me. Eventually, I will pick it up again and start over. Um, I am still reading J.A.J. Minton. Um, that's John, Jacob, and Amy Minton from Talking Story. I'm still reading their book, Discovery. I talked about that in a recent video. I'm more or less right around where I said I was in that video that I've talked about it already. I haven't had much time or energy, mainly energy, to devote to reading lately, unfortunately. But it'll get done when it gets done. Like I said, I'm hoping into January to begin my journey with Stephen King's The Stand. Um, and I'm giving myself from January to December of 2026. And hey, if I'm able to fit it in with that time frame, great. If I have to go over, that's fine also. So anyway, Project Hail Mary. So have you read it? Did you like it? Did you read The Martian by Andy Weir? Did you read? I think he has one or two other books besides Martian and Mary. Um, None of them, neither one comes to mind right now. But yeah, please no, don't give anything away because, like I said, I read the very beginning of Project Hail Mary. I liked it. I know it's a mystery with flashbacks in and out. Um, that's all I really remember. So, like I said, no spoilers in the comments. Just let me know. Do you think it's worth um, worth a read. I hope so, because I plan to read it eventually. Like I said, probably within the next few months, I'll pick it up. Whether that be before the close of 2025 or sometime in 26. We'll see. Like I always say, my mood reading is what it is, so I don't know when I'll pick it up, but I'm hoping to soon. Thank you. Have a good day, good evening, and I'm not sure if you live in an area where time changes, or at least in the US, the United States, time changes tonight or tomorrow morning, something like that. It's November 1st as of this recording, believe it or not. So, yeah, we fall back an hour. If you're in the US and if you're in a state that, observes time changing, because I think not all states do in the US. Most do, but not all. I think there's one or two that may not worry about that. But anyway, have a good day, good evening, like I've already said. Book Monster Mitch signing off. Take care of each other, love each other, and we'll talk soon.